Uwekewa yacho Ufis Mariluto Kamutingu Prime Minister Utingu Jodongo Kwaneno Yacho Luto Manaka Mosu Mzau Mkenzo Iko nana white kizungu tokadwa wacho Iko nana huko do English kuzabu English hapana ndo wacho dongo Uye ndo wacho luo Kini yeye ndo huko beto Ero kama Angi weche matem Moko ngadwa wacho ni ufuka Pi mago Kenya. Pi mago Kenya ni Utingu mama moro manugo da uwei Kane wanga nenu mangi yoko nige koja Totamre na pana Ane mokoro mningi Abiru kimikai Ume mikai yudo luo Mikai enda first wife donge Abiru kwa uruake Uruaka wino Awino heri, era awino. Awiwe kanda awino. Erego. Mae awino manogo da uwei. Awino ni chao da maduomu. Uwija. Onya luo mosuda msauru kubuto wena.
This is my wife. She's called Eunice Awino. And she's greeting you.
Yes, Papa.
How are you?
We are now quite.
Praise the Lord, everyone. I've also worked here with the secretary. Who's called Libalo. But where are you? He'll also just greet you like that.
Council of Elders.
I've also come here with the youth representative in the youth elders. He's come here with some Baganda. There he is. That is me. This young lady that I've come here with.
Dr. Raila.
Dr. Raila.
I'm engineer Raila. Unge Raila.
Do you know Raila?
Unge Raila.
Do you know Raila people? Does she look like him?
So umuto kamano.
I wanted to speak English, but then I decided let me speak Lebluo. I'm very happy with what I'm seeing here in Patongo. I've seen something that I've never seen before, that I didn't expect to see. I've met your king so many times. This is my 5th time coming to Uganda. I always meet him a lot. But I've never seen his home. I've never known that his home is this good. Hey!
I
am perturbed. What I've seen, I didn't know that he's such a wonderful person and this place is this good. Thank you very much, my king. My Acholi people. Something that has made me be mesmerized, that I came in the evening. I arrived here at night in Gulu. This young man who really welcomed me so well. Where is he? He gave me a good treatment.
I want to thank this young man.
I want to thank him specially because he gave us a very good treatment when he came
this
last
young
week.
Man, Prime Minister, this young man,
my king, He has shown us that he respects royalty and his king. He really took good care of us since yesterday till today when we arrived in Batoro. We are really perturbed that you stay so far from us. Why is it so? What did this white man do to us? We know that Uganda was up to naivasha. We were one people. That we were all Ugandan people. And then a devil called the white man came. And just put some imaginary boundaries between us and our people. So that when we come to our home, we come like visitors. How are we visitors in our own home? This is our home. Yeah, last year we had the joining event of Pinluo in Kenya. The Pinluo event is the one that has brought us here today. Please receive the greetings of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. He has come here because Raila Amolo Odinga sent me here, so that I can see how the Acholi people are. Our king, Ondungi Randa, has also sent his greetings, so that we can see how you people are living. Have you accepted their greetings? And what I've seen here has really perturbed me. The type of dance that I've seen here, I've never seen it in our home. I'm very happy. The white men really took away our dance and we have nothing left. In Kenya, we are only followers of Christianity and we don't have our cultural system, especially our dance.
Gentlemen, how we are losing our rich culture. The culture is so rich.
Our culture is so rich that we should not lose it. We've come here because we want all Luo people, wherever they are, to be one people.
One person.
One people. We want to join all Luo speaking people in Africa to be one.
International.
We have the chairman of Luo Community International. That is in Australia and is the son of Acholi land. He is the chairman of all Luo people in the world. He is the son of Acholi. We want all the kings that are of Luo nation to come and be one people. I was hearing and understanding all that you were saying. The separation made our dialects to be so different that when we are speaking, we feel like we are talking with different people.
Today was so good that if I could hear,
the speeches and the things that were said here were so good that I can hear Acholi, it would have been so good.
It shows that we are concerned.
It shows that we have deep concern.
We are concerned to make sure our people live nicely. They have food, enough food. They have enough economic power.
This is what we want here.
And the approach you have given is so good.
And the approach that the king of Acholi and their people have given is so good.
I want us to emulate that in Kenya.
We have come here to learn from the Acholi people and their king so that we can replicate it in Kenya also.
I want it to be done in Congo.
I want it also that we can replicate it in Congo,
Tanzania.
Israel. We knew, do you know that Jaluo Israel? Yeah. For lastly, do you know that a Luo man and a woman is a really highly esteemed person? Even where we are here, people just being disturbed. What are those Luos talking about? This is a very serious matter. Because Luos are known to be super intelligent. Because we are also people who push and face matters head on. And because we are also people who are not cowards.
About 60 million people.
Can you imagine if all laws are in one and we are about 60 million people? How can we be such a great nation? That is what we are pursuing.
This is what we want the kings to do for us.
That is what we want the kings and other kings to do for us. We want one nation under the king. Are you accepting that matter?
Yeah.
What has brought me here? I'm very perturbed that engineer here did not really tell me what I was going to meet when I come. She briefed me that I was coming to have a meeting with the king and his elders, but I did not know I'm coming to meet the wonderful people of Acholi. One more. My name is called James Ayaga. I come from a clan in Kenya called Uyoma. If we had enough time, this young lady here would have told you. Need those people that you see are disturbing us here. All these are grandchildren of Luo. Every black person came from a Luo person. Because everyone is wherever they are. Now they have forgotten us and they think we are different people. But we are coming. We are going. We have begun this journey. Our Acholi people, we welcome this journey.
The king marriage Acholi.
Your king is in front and you are following him. The Pagola king is also with us and we are following. The Langi king is also there and is following us.
King
the king of Alur, the king of Lord, we are following them. And we are coming with a great cause. Thank you very much. I hope people will make it and be better people, whether they like it or not. Because time has come. If this event had started early enough, I would have talked so much, but now this is no time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My king, thank you very much.